Okay, now we are going to see how to solve a game graphically. This is a game theory problem. We are going to see how to solve it graphically. Okay, here sometimes they don't give you its graphically. It's just solve the game, they'll say. So if the question is solve the game and they are giving you a question like this, where you have strategy of two players, if you notice player A, this is a payoff matrix of player B. Okay, so if you notice player B has only two strategies, player A has 1 2 3 4 strategies. Okay, so this fellow has got A1 A2 A3 A4 strategy, and here you have B1 and B2. So if you have two rows or two columns, then that particular game can be solved graphically. Okay, here you have two rows, two strategies for player B. So this is a graphical problem of game. Okay, that is how you identify. Now for this particular problem, here I have drawn two parallel lines. Okay, my maximum for B1 is 4 and maximum for B2 is 5. Minimum is -1 and -2. So therefore I have drawn 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and -1, -2, -3. Similarly, same 0, 1, 2, 3. Now the basic thing that we all make a mistake is the distance. Okay, here I have not randomly drawn two lines. I have drawn it with a rule. If from this particular line, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the 10th point I have to draw the second line. So this is my rule. Okay, I'll repeat it. From the first line, this is 0, it get confused. I'll put it here. This point is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10th point I have to draw the second line. So there are exactly 9 points in between. These points are 9. Okay, so there is a 10-point difference. Okay, this is the first point. Second point, you have B1, B2. Therefore, this line becomes B1 and this line becomes B2. Sometimes you can't. This is B1, this is B2. If you have A1 and A2, it is A1, A2, like that. Okay, so B1, B2. Whichever has got 2, you put it in the two lines. Okay, that is why we have like the rule. One side should be of two strategies. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to draw the lines. We are going to draw the lines. So first one is we are going to see strategy A1. It is 1 in B1 and -1 in B2. So in B1 it is 1 and in B2 it is -1. So we are going to draw the line. Okay, so I have drawn the line. Okay, so this is my strategy A1. For second strategy, for B1 it is 0, B2 it is 1. So here it is 0, here it is 1. I'm going to draw this and come back. So this is my strategy A2. For third one, A3, it is for B1 it is 4, for B2 it is -2. So here it is 4, here it is -2. So I'm going to draw this and come back. Okay, so this is A3. And for A4 it is -1, 5. So this is my A4. So I have my 4 lines. Okay, now I have to select a region. Okay, so player B, 2 strategies. Usually we find row minimum So here also there are two zones, two areas. This is the maximum area and this is the minimum area. Okay, so here we are finding row minimum. Okay, so therefore we are going to select the minimum area. So my minimum area is, it's empty here, but there is a border for this area. The border is here, it comes, then here, it goes on. Second point is here, then you have point here, and then you have the border. If you notice, there is nothing before the border. This is the border. This is the wrong point. Okay, there is no point here. So you have like one point here, a point here, a point here, a point here, and a point here. So this is my minimum area. Okay, if you have a doubt, now you'll ask me if there were two here. For example, the question is something like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Question here you have a1 and a2, then this will become column maximum. You have to find the column, so your area will be here. Okay, so this is the question. Here is row minimum only. You are going to find the row minimum, so we are taking the minimum area. Okay, and after finding row minimum, we take the maximum of the row minimums. There are two values, you will take the maximum. So similarly, in the minimum area, there are 1 2 3 4 and 5 points. Out of these 5 points, which is the maximum point, highest point? No, this is this is the highest point. If you notice, it is above all the other points, so this is the highest point. Okay, very simple. We have selected the highest point. Now when you select the highest point, the highest point is created by two lines. These two lines, one is a1, the other one is a2. So this is created by a1 and a2. So now what happens is, I have to select, here I have b1 and b2 only, so I will write that, and this point is made up of a1 and a2. Therefore I am going to take these two strategies, 1 minus 1 0. This is a1 and a2. Okay, now already the shortcut method for finding your, this is a 2 by 2 matrix, a 2 by 2 payoff matrix. So 2 rows 2 columns, 2 rows 2 columns, so 2 by 2 payoff matrix, and we use algebraic method to solve this. We can solve it through the formula method if you are very you don't like shortcuts, but I am going to use the shortcut method only. I am going to find the difference. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus minus 1 is 2. Okay, adding these two values, 2 plus 1 is 3, so I am going to divide by 3. That's it. Similarly, 1 minus minus 1, 1 minus minus 1 is 1 plus 1, 2. I write it here. 1 minus 0 is 1. I write it here. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So therefore my value of the game I'm taking A1 strategy. So 1 into 2 by 3 plus minus 1 into 1 by 3. So this becomes 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. That is 1 by 3. This is my value of the king. Therefore, my answer SA is A1, A2, A3, A4. These two become 0 because not selected. For A1 and A2, A1 and A2, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. 1 by 3, 2 by 3. And my strategy of player B is B1 and B2. For B and B2, these are the values. It will be 2 by 3, 1 by 3. So this is my problem solved. So we use graphical method to select two lines or two strategies, and then we use algebraic method and solve it. So this is my problem solved.